Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So today we're going to be talking about Crypto.com and all the news related to it as of recent. First off, the most important news is that HBTC now supports Crypto.com CRO mainnet. So you can now withdraw CRO and it'll be through mainnet. So the fees will be really cheap if you have CRO on this exchange. And then you can easily send it to DeFi wallet without, paying all those really high fees. So you can see it says they completed the CRO token swap from ERC20 to Crypto.com coin. And the deposit and withdrawal service for CRO has resumed. So if you guys are using HBTC, just know that you can now withdraw using mainnet. So the fees will be really cheap. Let's move on to the next article. Is the New York Stock Exchange partnership. So Crypto.com just partnered with them and they're doing NFTs with them of basically the first trade. So it's a series of NFTs commemorating the first public trades of some of the most innovative companies in the world, including Spotify, DoorDash, Roblox, and more. So this is pretty exciting. The fact that Crypto.com is partnering with the big things like New York Stock Exchange. And as we can see on their Twitter, they have it linked right here of the first public trades, and you can go into them and look at them here. Here's a little video clip. First trade. So it's got some audio, it's video, the first trade, all of that. That's the video. And as you can see, it says access them on Crypto.com right here. So this is where it's at. The next thing that's also really crazy is that Time partnered with Crypto.com to offer cryptocurrency as a form of payment for digital subscriptions. So this is pretty exciting news for Crypto.com and just crypto in general, as Time's accepting crypto. You can see it says subscribers who elect to pay with cryptocurrencies will receive unlimited access to content across Time.com for 18 months with their one-time purchase, as well as subscriber-only events and offerings. Currently, purchasing a subscription through cryptocurrency is only available in the US and Canada, with global access to roll out in the next several months. In support of the partnership, Crypto.com will offer pay rewards of up to 10% back for subscribers who elect to pay using CRO, the Crypto.org coin. So that's honestly the most important thing of this. And the reason that is because if you have an incentive to buy the coin, this is just another one. If you get 10% back, that's a pretty good deal. All you have to do is buy the CRO coin and use it as payment. And when they do that, they have to create a Crypto.com account, buy the CRO token, and probably look at more of like what the CRO token is about, like what exactly is it and things like that, and be more likely to invest in it for the long term as well. So it's definitely really good advertising for the CRO coin and for Crypto.com in general. So next up is about Coinbase's IPO, which in fact I did buy Coinbase stock on the first day of launch, and I bought it through Robinhood because I didn't know if you could buy it through Cash App or whatever. I just did Robinhood. And we can see that Crypto.com posted saying Coinbase's IPO will be a reference for Crypto.com's own valuation as the first publicly traded comparable. Coinbase has 5 times more users than us, but we are growing faster and aim to close the gap in the next 18 to 24 months. So it sounds like they're trying to basically match Coinbase within the next 18 to 14 months, or beat them by that time to have more users. So it does sound like Crypto.com plans on going public as well, just they're using, Coinbase as a valuation for when they do go public. That's honestly pretty exciting. We might be seeing a Crypto.com IPO as well later in the future. Now in other news, there's just some small little things to mention. One really cool thing is now you can buy as little as $1 of any crypto. A lot of people have been asking for this. I know it was on Bitcoin, but all the other cryptos, there was like a minimum, and it's not set in the US dollar amount or like your local currency. It was set in like the amount of crypto. So it's really cool they changed it to avoid the volatility of the coins, and it just shows that Crypto.com does listen to their community. So next up is about NFTs with Ben Askren, and about how he fought against Jake Paul, and there was NFTs for Ben Askren on Crypto.com, which I actually thought was pretty cool that Ben Askren was the one. I don't really follow either of them, but I don't really care for Jake Paul at all. So the fact that it was Ben Askren instead of Jake Paul, I do like that. I would have been a bit disappointed in Crypto.com if they had Jake Paul NFTs. I would have really been a downer right there. That's all the news that I have for you guys. It's all really bullish news. I'll have the links down in the description for you guys to check out the articles for yourselves. Let me know what you think about with the New York Stock Exchange partnership, the Time Magazine partnership. Like, how do you see it affecting CRO or Crypto.com? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more future content like this. I'll see you guys later in my next video.